Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do what chapter 4 cumulative assessment retirement. This is the fourth chapter of what section of my ITDEF course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignment, if you want me to do your complete course including Excel assignment, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignment and Assess assignment, you can hire me for your complete course. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer science, or writing assignment as well. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step in this video. So title of the assignment is Exp22 Word Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Retirement. First step of the assignment is to download the Word file where we are supposed to apply all the steps. So I have already downloaded this. This is the file where we will apply all the steps and we'll get this assignment done. So move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying that ensure that markup view is all markup. On the second page, reject the deletion of the word now. Change the view to no markup and ensure that word is not duplicated. Removing any additional text as necessary so that only the word now is shown at the end of the sentence. So first we will go to the document and we will make the markup view to all markup, and on the second page we will reject the deletion of word now. So let's go to the document. Now go to the review tab. After going to the review tab, you can see that this is the markup. We are supposed to select the all markup from here, and after selecting the all markup, we will reject the deletion of the word no, this one. So we will click on the changes tab and click the reject change. So you can see that this change has been rejected. So now it is saying that the word now is shown. We can see that word now is showing there at the end of the sentence. Accept all the tracked changes in the document and stop tracking. Keep all the comments. So that is step number 2. We will step all the tracked changes and will stop the document from tracking. So for this we will click on the accept and we will accept all the changes and stop tracking. So it is duplicated word, also remove this one as well. So we are done with first 2 steps, step 2 and step 3. Now we will move to our next step, that is step number 4 now. In step number 4, it is saying that change the view to the simple markup and ensure that document comments are shown. Change all the heading as indicated by the comments in the document. So now make the markup view to the simple markup, this one, and now we change the heading according to the comments. So it is saying that this is listed as heading 2, but it should be heading 1. Please change this heading to a heading 1 style. So click on it, go to the home tab and click heading 1. So this has been changed to heading 1. So now it is saying that please change all the heading formatted with heading 3 to heading 2 style. So click on it. It is formatted heading 3. So we will change it to heading 2. This one. This is heading 3. Make it to heading 2. This is heading 3, make it to heading 2. So next comment is not about the heading. Move to next one. Please change, sorry. We have changed this to heading 2. Also this is heading 3. This one. You can see this one from here. This is heading 3. So we are supposed to change it to heading 2 and as well change this to heading 2 because this is heading 3. So next one is please change this heading to a heading style 3. This one. Please change this to heading style of heading style 3. So this is heading style 3. So we are done with this one. Also this is left. This is heading 3 and we will make it to heading 2. So we are done with all heading formatting according to the comments. So we will move to next step, that is step number 5 now. And step number 5, it is saying that reply to the first comment by typing done. Mark the first 2 comment related to heading style as resolved. So we will type done here and also we will make it resolve. So this has been resolved. This is, we will make it resolved. So that is step number 5. So we have solved 5 steps for this assignment. Now we will move to our next step, that is step number 6. In step number 6, it is saying that change the writing style to APA6 edition. Apply the following formatting to all the pages of the document except the cover page. Document is double spaced. The first line of every paragraph include a first line indent of 0.5. No paragraph spacing is included. So let's go to the document and go to the reference tab. We will change the style to the APA that is required. After that, we will select all the document and now it is saying that document is double space. This one. Then first line indent of 0.5 to this one and no paragraph spacing is included. So go to the home tab and click paragraph. Document is double spaced, no paragraph spacing. We will make the before and after spacing to 0 and first line indent of 0.5. So that is required in step number 6. Click OK. So we have made a mistake because the first line is every paragraph with the exception of heading style, included tables and bullet. So we will change this. So first we will make the document double space. Double space. Now we are supposed to apply the first line indent to the paragraph that includes to paragraph and heading lines, tables and bullet are not included in the first line indent. So first we will apply the first line indent to this one. So these are not bullet. So we will apply the first line indent to this one. This one. So we have applied the first line indent to this one. So these are the bullets. We will not apply the first line indent. We will not apply the first line indent to the table. So this is not. So we will apply the first line indent to 0.5 to this one. Also first line indent to this one. Also first line indent to this one. So again first line indent to this paragraph as well, excluding the paragraph bullets. So after that first line indent to this one as well. And we are done with this one. First line indent to this one as well. So now you can see that document double space. Now we will make the paragraph spacing before and after to 0. So we are done with this one. That is our step number 6. And now we will move to our next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is click or position the insertion point before the period and at the end of the sentence of the 403B plans section on page 6. The sentence ends in TSA plans. So we will go to page 6 first. So we will go to page 6 first. And we are supposed to insert the insertion point before the period TSA plan, this one. And now insert the following website citation, clicking or selecting show all bibliography field if the necessary to ensure the access to all open areas. So we are supposed to insert this citation. So let me do this one for you now. So we are supposed to insert the citation here. Go to the reference and add a source. So it should be a website now. So title of the web page is this one. Name of the web page and title of the web page. Name of the web page. Then name of the website, this one. After that the year should be 2023, this one. And after that month should be October, this one. After that day should be 08, this one. And the URL should be this one. So this is URL. So we have inserted the name of the web page, name of the website, year, month, day, and URL. So click OK. You can see that citation has been inserted after the TSA plan before the period. So that is our step number 7. Now we will move to our next step, that is step number 8. In step number 8, it is saying that click or position the insertion point before the period ending the first sentence of the 401k plan section. So first sentence is ending with the individual retirement account. So let me go to this heading, this one. So individual retirement account, and we are supposed to insert before the period. So this is the citation. We will insert this. So I will copy this and I will use this information here. Click on add source again. So name of the web page is this one. Name of the web page. Name of the website. Year should be 2022. Month should be October. Day should be 14. And URL should be this one. So after putting this information, click OK, and you can see that citation has been inserted before the period in 401k plan section. So that was our step number 8. Now we will move to our next step, that is step number 9. So step number 9 is edit the tradition and the row IRA source shown after the second table in the document changing the year to 2023. So go to this citation after the second table. Let me go to the table, this one. So this is the second table. You can see that first table is here and second table is this one. So we will click on the edit source. Now we are supposed to change the year to 2023. So we will change the year to 2023 and click OK. So now year has been changed and we are done with step number 9. So I have shown you 9 steps of this assignment. I solved each and every step in this video. Now I am going to move to step number 10. So in step number 10, it is saying that create a blank page at the end of the report and insert a bibliography with the title work cited. So go to the document and go to the end of the document. So this is the end of the document and insert a blank page. And now we are supposed to insert the bibliography here. So we will go to the references and click on the bibliography and title should be work cited, this one. So we have inserted. Next thing to do is edit the 401k source shown in the 401k section of the report, changing the date to 15. So go to the 401k section now, this one, and edit the source and change the date to 15. Click OK. Your source exists in your master list. Turn document. Do you want to update both list and the changes that the notification we are getting? So choose update both the master list and current document. So we will click yes. So that is given in the requirement. Update the bibliography to reflect the change. So now we will go to the bibliography again at the end of the document and click on update the citation and bibliography. Now you can see that this day has been changed to 15. So we are done with step number 10. So after completing step number 10, we will move to a next step, that is step number 11. So in step number 11, it is saying that format the bibliography at double spacing with no paragraph spacing before or after. So let's select the bibliography first and click on the home tab and go to the paragraph setting. It should be double space, no paragraph spacing. So we will make the paragraph spacing before to 0 and paragraph spacing after to 0. So it is double space with no paragraph spacing before and after. Next thing to do is all the text in the bibliography, including the work cited, title should be 12 points Time New Roman. So we will make it 12 points Time New Roman. Select this one and click on the Time New Roman and it should be 12 points. After that, the work cited title should be centered and shown with each word capitalized, not in all uppercase. If necessary, click or display the home tab, select change case in the font group and select capitalize each word to change the title. Ensure that no text is bold. So first we will select this one. It should not be bold, it should be center. And now we will change the case. So we can change this case and we will make it capitalize each word. So this one. So we are done with step number 11. Let's move to a next step, that is step number 12. Basically this step has 0 point. That is why I'm not going to do this step. So that is why we will move to a next step, that is step number 13. Step number 13 is insert a page break before the second table so the entire table is shown on one page. So step number 14 is about the index page, index entries, and step number 15 about the index page. So basically, I have shown you 12 steps for this assignment. I solved each and every step in this video. If you want to do this assignment, just watch this complete video and you can get your assignment done. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID and I will do this assignment for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video.